So this is how you can work passive range of motion on the shoulder. So I usually start off with a little flexion. So support the elbow. Like I like to grab underneath these epicondyles here, grab the wrist, go nice and slow, especially if it's a real achy shoulder or real stiff. You can spend a few minutes doing this, trying to go in this plane right here. Then I'd probably go into some abduction, support here. It's really important that they feel like you have a good grip on them. So if you want to bring it to your chest, your stomach, make them feel really secure. If you have a rolling stool, even better. You can use your whole body. Spend a few minutes on that. And then I would go into external rotation. You can do this in multiple planes, so wherever the patient's comfortable. So right here is a good starting point, about a 45-degree away. Support the elbow again. Take it to tolerance for repetition. Again, a few minutes on this as well.